How to extract pages from PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, if at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Adobe Acrobat application. So first we need to open that PDF file. So I just go to the menu, go to the open. Okay, select that PDF file. So I have PDF file which multiple pages, you can see. So in order to extract page, we need to go in edit. Okay, so go to the tools, all tools. Okay, and we need to go in organize page. This is the option here, you can see organize pages. And if you don't see here, you can go to the view more and you can see the bottom. You can see at the bottom if you don't see it at up. Okay, so just go to the organize the pages. So you can see this org pages will be like this. So you can see I have about around 19 pages, you can see. So you need to select the pages like this. You can just select all pages, like drag and like this. Select the any empty area, blank area, select, click on it, hold it and drag the area of pages, and you can select the pages like this. Or you can simply hit the Ctrl button and select the one by one. Okay, if you want to extract the pages between, then you can select the one by one. You need to just hit the Control button of your keyboard and hold it and select the pages which you want to extract by clicking the mouse button. Okay, and if you want to select all pages, then select the first page, then hit the shift button, hold it and select the last page, then it will be select the all pages. So just select the few pages here. Okay, so I have select the 1 2 3 4 5 pages. Now here you can see the this is a page number, you can see 2 5 7 9 11. You can also write the page number like here 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma whatever you want. You can select, write the and hit the enter, then it will be select all pages like this. 2 3 and 6 and 9, 2 3 6 9 and 5. Okay, so just select again by clicking Control button. Now they are selected, pages are selected. Now we need to go in this option. Okay, you can see this option called extract pages, click on it. So here you can see the two options. So first you can delete the pages after extract. So if you select this, then these selected pages will be deleted in original file and the new file will be create. Okay, or if you want to extract pages as a separate file, then this page will be keep here in original file and it will be extract to the another new file. Okay, simply select your requirement and extract it. Now we need to select the area, sorry, location where you want to save this file. So select the location where you want to save it. Okay, I just select this, or you can create a new page, new folder like this, and rename your folder, then select it and click OK, and this page will be extracted. Let me show you where it is. Okay, you can see this is a location, this is a folder which we had created. Open it, you can see this page has been extracted. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.